The Latvian Armed Forces will be receiving 3 RQ-20A Puma tactical hand-launched drones from U.S. firm AeroVironment later this year. The acquisition of the surveillance and reconnaissance mission unmanned aviation systems is being conducted with the aid of over $3 million worth of U.S. government foreign military financing. Since Latvia declared independence from the former Soviet Union in 1991, the U.S. has consistently provided military aid through various programs to its Baltic ally, including funding under the International Military Education and Training (IMET) program, as well as FMF. Latvia's military lacks drone capabilities. In order to rectify this shortcoming, the armed forces developed a UAV plan in 2016 and have since begun procurement processes. Previously selected for the United States Special Operations Command in 2008, in March 2012 the United States Army ordered the Puma all-environment and designated it the RQ-20A. In April, the United States Marine Corps and United States Air Force placed a similar order for the RQ-20A. Each military RQ-20A system has 3 air vehicles and 2 ground stations. The Puma A can operate under extreme weather conditions including temperatures ranging from -29 to 49 degrees Celsius, wind speeds up to 46 km per hour, and 2.5 centimeters of rain per hour. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends.